Pressed for time in the kitchen? We know how hectic life can get, especially when you're juggling work, family, and personal time. Cooking a meal from scratch can seem like an impossible task. But don't worry. Here are 3 quick and easy recipe hacks that will not only save you precious time, but also make your cooking experience more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, these tips are designed to simplify your life and help you whip up delicious meals in no time. Let's dive in and get cooking. Hack number 1, place garlic cloves in a jar, shake hard, and voila, the peels come right off. Hack number 2. Here's a quick and easy way to elevate your dishes with minimal effort. Start by finely chopping your favorite fresh herbs. You can use parsley, chives, dill, or any combination you prefer. Next, take some softened butter and place it in a bowl. Add the chopped herbs to the butter and mix thoroughly with a spoon until the herbs are evenly distributed. Once mixed, transfer the herb butter onto a piece of plastic wrap. Roll it tightly into a log shape and refrigerate until firm. This herb butter can be sliced and used to add a burst of flavor to a variety of dishes. Spread it on warm bread, melt it over a juicy steak, or toss it with steamed vegetables. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your meals and impress your guests with minimal effort. Hack number 3, fill a squeeze bottle with pancake batter for mess-free pouring. Perfect shapes, no spills. Try these hacks and save time in the kitchen. These simple yet effective tips can make your cooking experience much more enjoyable and efficient. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these hacks are designed to help you navigate the kitchen with ease. From chopping vegetables faster to keeping your herbs fresh for longer, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to share these tips with your friends and family, so they too can benefit from these kitchen secrets. Follow us for more quick tips and tricks that will transform your cooking routine. Like, share, and follow for more kitchen magic. Happy cooking!